do?
Oh, it sounds familiar. What is it?
I think it's a Radiohead song. My son is learning it,
okay.
so I hear him practicing. It inspires me to try and go learn these tunes too. I think that's called My Iron Lung.
Nice.
But what do we have here? Tell me
Let's
about
do
it, because this one's very interesting.
Are we done? Are we going? We're started?
Yeah, I think
All
we're
right,
rolling.
we're in.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
You're in.
welcome, Glenn. Welcome, everybody. I was kind of zoning out on your,
No
on
worries.
your tune there.
No worries.
So what we have here is a custom guitar made by a local luthier.
Ah,
So, where do we start here? So, Rimini Guitars, okay, guy named Phil Maynard, and he lives in Rimini, Montana. It's outside of Helena. It's an old ghost town.
I just want
And-
to clarify,
Yep.
it's Helena,
Helena,
not Helena.
not Helena, correct, yep.
Helena.
Helena.
Thank you.
Yes, Helena, Montana. That is
Yeah.
our state capital.
And it's Butte, not Butt,
Yep.
just for anybody
That's
that...
true.
Just clarifying some of these
Yeah, people
misconceptions,
Yeah.
mispronunciations. Sorry,
So
anyway, Rimini
this-
Guitars,
yep, and-
Rimini, Montana,
Yep,
just
and
outside.
Phil was down here in Bozeman for years,
Oh, okay.
working with Dan Roberts.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
he kind of interned with Dan Roberts for years, and Dan Roberts is another local luthier who builds incredible guitars, and usually always has someone kind of working beneath him for a while, and then
Yeah.
they
What good is knowledge if you can't pass it on?
exactly.
Yeah.
And Dan's good like that for teaching the skills, but it's cool because Phil went back to Helena or Rimini, like I said, which is a cool little ghost town. Ooh, look at that. That's mahogany.
Yeah.
It's like
That's
flame,
mahogany?
Yeah, it's mahogany. It's flame mahogany.
Wow.
And he went back and started building his guitars, and he's starting to get them out the door now. And they're nice. They're really nice. They're
Really nice, yeah.
The quality, the craftsmanship.
There's a lot of wonderful little appointments on this.
There is.
Go ahead.
On the specs, he calls it a white spruce top. So it's just really nice, clean spruce. I'm not sure where it comes from, but the body is like a 00 kind of thing,
Right.
like a Gibson style.
But again, this back is gorgeous.
Yeah.
There's a lot of subtle appointments. I like just a relatively straightforward headstock.
Yeah.
The neck seems pretty standard, but it does broaden out pretty quickly
Yeah.
as you get up, which is comfortable for, if you like wider necks or
Right.
if you're getting into complex chord shapes. I love there's a tortoiseshell kind of theme going
Yep.
on with the pick guard.
Yep. And the binding.
With the binding, but
Yeah.
also if you look at the tuning machines, and I just saw this was really cool, even with the strap button, and I'm guessing, yes, and also on
Yeah.
the end piece.
Very cool.
Yeah, no, it's a
But how does it
gorgeous
sound?
guitar. Well, you be the judge. It's got the sound that I would expect. It's
Yep.
MIDI. It's not very deep.
Yeah. Oh, the other thing is it's a little wider body. Yeah.
It just
Yeah,
plays
it sounds
really
like
nice.
a little, yeah.
It's really nice. It plays nice.
I'm glad you like it. Phil's a wonderful guy and building great guitars, and
Yeah.
we got a lot of good luthiers around here. It's pretty neat to see. There's a lot of really cool craftsmen around here, and
It's wonderful in the sense that we have them and
Yeah.
we have this access. It's depressing in that I can't afford to buy one from
Well,
everybody.
the good news is they only make so many in a year. It's not,
Yeah.
you just save up, take your time, put in an order, and in
Yeah.
a year or two you'll have one. So,
I think this guitar reflects what you would expect from a custom shop
yeah,
guitar, right?
Yeah.
It's got all these beautiful appointments. There's so much attention to detail and care, and it really translates into a high-end and heirloom instrument, this is one that you take wonderful care of and pass down through generations, because it's
totally.
Wow, it's just beautiful.
Cool.
That really blows me away.
Yeah, beautiful wood. So that's it. That's the Rimini from Phil Maynard.
Yeah, this is called, they're calling it the model R-00-DBTS. And so, I don't know, we can maybe add some
deep
information.
Body, tobacco sunburst. So,
Tobacco sunburst, there you go.
There you go.
Man, dated to 1922. So this one's still just,
still fresh.
Still learning how to walk with this one.
All right, cool. Check it out, musicvilla.com. And Quentin, thank you.
You bet.
Thanks for watching.